Turn it on!
Oh, yeah, look at that, eh? Look at there. What is that there in the back of the old black dragon, eh?
That'd be the Jamarote.
Oh, folks, listen. The honky junk, trailer weight, dead piece of poop is loaded on the trailer.
From a distance, it looks done.
Look, it looks a lot better than it is.
Just don't move up close to it.
Don't go near it. It's like what is it? 1,000-yard stare?
It is.
Yeah.
It's nice. Doesn't run yet, but we're gonna work on that.
Yeah.
And we got a lot of little details to do. But once we get it running, and now we have stuff to hook the transmission, we're gonna go. So it's gonna move. So what are we doing today, Ryan? What's happening?
We're going to Greenbow, Alabama.
Greenbow, Alabama.
Actually, it's Collinsville. I just like saying Greenbow because of
Forrest Gump.
Yeah.
That's why I said it.
Yeah.
So we're going to Alabama for
know what love is.
For a car show.
Jenny. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
It's the perfect character for you.
And
I'm just saying, we just need to get you a little bench.
it's unacceptable.
Well, we're gonna show this partially done vehicle at a car show, which is gonna be interesting.
It's the first time she's been out of the garage in a year.
I know, right?
So
it looks incredible. It's the first time the wheels have been on that thing.
Yeah, we haven't wanted to show you guys that.
It looks awesome.
It does look good.
All right, well, let's get on the road, buddy.
Let's do it. It's only a couple hours away.
All right, okay. We're at a car show. This isn't some maintenance shop.
I'm just seeing his suspension. He's got it sitting on a Crown Vic.
All right, everybody.
What's up, Jammer Nation? We are in Alabama. What city? Cousinville?
Geraldine.
Cousinville, Alabama.
It's not Cousinville.
It is Sam Mountain.
Sam Mountain.
It ain't Lookout Mountain.
We're at 256 Garage with Jason and Drake. He's back there. We went to a car show today, and we had the Jamarote there, and we couldn't get her to run. So we came here to their shop to try to have them help us figure it out because they're actual really mechanics. We just pretend to be one on YouTube.
Yeah.
So what did you tell us, Jason?
Sounds like the plugs are gas to me the way it sounded when you hit it.
So then what we did is we pulled the plugs out of this piece of crap motor sitting on the floor here because they clearly don't care about it. It's supposed to go into Lightning Gen 1, it's never going to happen. What?
I feel like that's a dig, but go ahead.
No,
please
he's not hearing me.
Shots fired!
Shots fired across the bow. No, and so Drake has this. He's going to be putting it in Gen 1. He said we could pull the plugs real quick and just test fire it.
Yes.
And so that's what we're going to do. We've already moved them over.
Okay.
So we're going to turn this sucker over and see if she fires off. If she fires off, we wasted 5 days doing nothing. Well, I told Jason, this is Jason,
this one
right here,
yes,
that if it starts, I'm going to kiss him on the lips.
So I'm really hoping it don't crash.
So we'll see.
Please don't work against us. It's been 4 days
Wait,
of this.
hold on.
Well, I'm going to jump in the cab. I'm going to give the camera to you, Ryan, and then we're going to try this. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Bro, is that not the message?
Where are the sparks of the flame?
I wish it had a drive shaft in it. It'd come off the trailer.
We be driving this sucker down the street right now, y'all.
I had to use my...
Jason.
Amazing.
Jason.
Amazing.
Daggum, Jason.
I'm so excited. You excited?
I'm freaking I'm like Puff the Maggot Dragon excited.
Turn it on! Ryan.
a couple of idiots in the driveway,
I know, but people hate that.
and they hate us so much. They hate how low. Look, you know how you can tell if your truck's low enough?
How can you tell, Ryan?
If you can just go up on there and step and just go on to the other side. Let me get that for you. Hold on, I'll be right back.
That absolutely
Ah!
tears people up.
I think I pulled a muscle.
I'm so happy that
Oh, it stirs the pot, man. They're like, oh my God, you took a beautiful four-wheel drive and turned it into a pavement princess.
I know, you know, it's
Suck it up, Buttercup!
It was such a piece of junk before, and now it's like 1,000 times the vehicle
Whatever,
of what it was
People
before.
are just
That's funny. I laugh.
triggered.